Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan laughing. Tibetan laughing is very delicious and it's very popular as a Tibetan snack. So I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious recipe. So it's two kind of laughing have. So if you want to know how to make yellow one, so you can check it out my channel. I already upload the video. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And let's get started how to make, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. So first I'm going to make laughing batter. Add the 3 cup water and add half teaspoon salt. Salt is optionally. And I'm going to add 1 cup corn flour. Mix it well and properly. And here I keep the boiled water 1 cup. So after start to boil the water, I'm going to add the batter. Add the batter slowly and continuously mix it well. Continuously mix it well until not get the fluffy and thick paste. So after that, I'm going to just reduce the flame and continuously mix it again well. After that, just 2-3 minutes you have to cook. You don't need to cook over. After that, it's ready. Take a 1 clean container and just apply the oil. I already applied and put in the container and leave it for until not cool down properly. So after cover, and I'm going to put in fridge. You can keep in room temperature also, but it will take a long time. So I'm going to put in fridge for 3 hours. So here I'm going to prepare some laughing topping ingredients. So keep in low flame and add the peanuts. So after add the peanuts, you have to continuously mix it, otherwise it will burn only one side. So little brown color, then it's ready. So I'm going to lightly crush this. You don't need to make powder, just lightly. So I'm going to add just a little bit salt and just a little bit black pepper and just lightly crush and mix it well and put in bowl and set aside. After 3 hours later, my laughing is ready. Now I'm going to cut into bite pieces. So here I'm going to make 2 kind of laughing. So one is I'm going to make normal regular laughing, and one is I'm going to make hot chili laughing. So let me know which one is your favorite. Leave comment below. Very simple. Here I'm going to use. Add some chili paste. Add some garlic and some pinch of salt and some green chili and red capsicum. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons garlic water, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. That's it. So one side I'm going to add before make peanuts. Add the peanuts. After that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon hot oil. Then it's ready. So guys, this is my final result, and hopefully you guys love it. And one thing I will recommend you, when you eat the laughing, always go with some bread or some noodles or some rice. It will not pain your stomach, and drink always lots of water. Okay guys, so for more video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this delicious recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.